Rover by Aphra Behn. Plot of the play. Aphra Behn's play The Rover is a restoration comedy that was first performed in the late 17th century. The play is set in Naples during Carnival and follows the adventures of a group of English travelers and the furious loves and misadventures they experience. The central character Wilmore, also known as the Rover of the title, is a libertine and womanizer who finds himself entangled in a series of romantic pursuits. The play is notable for its frank portrayal of sexual desire and its frank portrayal of the lives of Restoration courtesans. It is considered one of the band's most successful and enduring works and is still performed today. The main plot revolves around Wilmore's pursuit of the Welle and pursues Florinda, who is being forced into an arranged marriage. Meanwhile, her sister Helena disguises herself as a courtesan and seeks out Wilmore's affection. Alongside this, there are several subplots involving other characters, including the adventures of the cross-dressing prostitute, Angelica Bianca, and the attempts of the jealous Blanche to win over Lucetta. The play is full of wit, intrigue, and double-crossing, with a resolution that sees the characters find their true loves amidst the house of Carnival. Themes of Aphra Behn's The Rover. Aphra Behn's The Rover explores several themes including gender roles. The play challenges traditional gender roles by depicting women who are sexually liberated, assertive, and independent. Love and romance. The play is filled with a variety of love stories, including forbidden love, unrequited love, and cross-dressing love, that explore the complexities of love and relationships. Social mores. The Rover critiques the strict social mores of the Restoration period, particularly the restriction placed on women's behavior and the double standard for male and female sexual behavior. Freedom and adventure. The play celebrates the idea of freedom and adventure, both through the depiction of the carefree, raving lifestyle of the play's title character and the adventurous spirit of its female characters. Power and control. Throughout the play, the struggle for power and control is evident in the relationships between characters and in the manipulation of others for personal gain. Overall, The Rover is a very and insightful examination of love, freedom, and the societal norms of the Restoration period. The Rover is a typical Restoration comedy. The Rover is considered a typical example of Restoration comedy for several reasons. Sexual freedom. One of the defining features of Restoration comedy is its frank depiction of sexual desire and the sexual exploits of its characters. The Rover is no exception, with its central character Wilmore pursuing numerous love interests and engaging in sexual license. Setting. Restoration comedies often take place in fashionable cities such as London or Paris and are set against the backdrop of high society and the court. The Rover is set in Naples during Carnival, a time of year when the city was known for its parties and debauchery. Characterization. Restoration comedies feature a cast of larger-than-life characters who are often archetypes or stock figures. In The Rover, Wilmore is the quintessential Restoration rake, a womanizer who is charming and witty, but also prone to excess. Other characters include the witty courtesan Helena, the intelligent and resourceful Angelica, and brash and impulsive Blanche. Language. Restoration comedies are known for their witty and sophisticated language, which often makes use of puns, wordplay, and sexual innuendo. The Rover is famous for its bawdy humor and its sexually charged dialogue. Overall, The Rover embodies many of the characteristics of Restoration comedy and is a prime example of the genre.